Okay, hi guys, very good morning. Today we discussing topic is from 1B subject locus topic. What is meant by locus? Locus is a set of points that satisfy the geometrical condition. Right. I will explain this definition with small example for better understanding. Right. Suppose set of points. Set of points means two or more points. Suppose I am taking one point here A. It is fixed point, never moves. Right. I am taking one more point P. It is variable point, means it moves wherever he wants, right? Suppose P point moves around the A point from certain distance around the A point. It is a geometrical figure, means circle also one of the geometrical figure. The set of points that satisfy geometrical figure, it is only locus. The set of points that satisfy geometrical condition, right? It is also locus. We already learned in 10th class, in 9th class, coordinate geometry, right? What is a point, right? What is a line? What is a circle? What is the distance, right? Everything will learn in geometry, right? Coordinate geometry in 10th class, right? Next, come to basic problems on this topic. Very easy topic this. Okay. In the chapter there are 3 or 4 models. I will discuss in few models for this timing purpose, right? First model, listen here. First model, simple model, right? See the question. Find the equation of a locus of a point. Find the equation of a locus of a point. What is point? We don't know. Suppose let assume point is, we are taking P, x comma y. Point is x comma y. Find the equation of a locus of a point which is a point, P point, which is P point, which is distance 5 from A. Distance from A 4 comma minus 3. A points, P is a distance. P is a 5 meters away from A. In the question, 5 units, right? Means from P to A, how much it is distance? 5 units, right? PA. What is the distance between PA? 5 units, right? What is the distance from? We already learned in 10th class. Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right? Here I am taking P point x1 x comma y. A point is 4 comma minus 3. A point x1 y1 x2 y2, right? What is distance AP? 5. Distance, use the distance formula. What is x2 minus x1? 4 minus x whole square plus y2. Y2 means minus 3 minus y1 means y whole square is equals to 5, right? Here square root. We are cancelling of square root. What do you do? Squaring on both sides. Under root 4 minus x whole square plus, here two terms have a negative, right? Whenever the two terms have a negative, we have converted into positive. 3 plus y whole square. That's it. Nothing will happen. If one variable is negative, one variable is positive, we don't convert that like that. Only two terms are negative in the bracket. We have two terms away that take positive, right? Is equals to 5. Squaring on both sides. Square root cancel, right? Here see 4 minus x whole square plus 3 plus y whole square is equals to 5 square 25. Okay, next step I am using here A minus B whole square plus a plus b whole square. We already know a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Already know. Here a means 4, b means x. Right. A square, I am using small writing here. A square plus b square plus 2ab, sorry, minus 2ab. Sorry, here minus, no, sorry, I confused somewhere. Right. What is a minus b whole square formula? A square plus b square minus 2ab. And a square plus b square minus 2ab over the formulas. And next which formula is using? A plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab. Right, start. A means 3, a square plus y, b square plus 2ab is equals to 25. Right, start. 16, 4 square means 16, x square means x square minus 8, 2 4 is 8, 8x plus 3 square 9, 3 3 is 9 plus y square plus 2 3 is 6, 6 into y, 6y is equals to 25. Right, 25 here positive here get, I am taking here transferring minus, right, here plus here goes to minus. We are writing order wise. First x square, next y square plus y square, after that minus 8x, after that plus 6y, remaining is 16 plus 9, 25 plus 25, here plus 25 it goes to minus 25 is equals to 0. X square plus y square minus 8x plus 6y plus 25 minus 25 cancel is equals to 0. It is a locus of equation of a locus. Right, that's it. Come on, do this is the first model, simple model. I am doing next model. Okay, next model. Find the equation of a locus. We have to find the equation of a locus of a point P if the ratio of the distance from P to A and B. We have to find the equation of a locus. How to find the equation of locus? In this model, there are given ratio. Right? What the ratio? Suppose here P point is there, x comma y. Let us assume in this question not given P point, x comma y. Suppose A point is some distance. A point is also there. What is A point here? I am in this question 5 comma minus 4. B point is, what is B point here? 7 comma 6. Right? 7 comma 6. It is A point. Well, the distance of AP and BP are in the given ratio. Which ratio? 2:3 ratio. Right? Ratio means what here? Fraction also. 2/3. We know that. What is AP to? AP or AP? AP means not Andhra Pradesh. It is AP, right? Only distance from AP. By what is BP? 3. I am taking fraction here. I am taking a fraction. Right? Let's start the problem. AP means what? X y comma A means 5 comma minus 4. AP x1 y1 x2 y2. Right? Start the. We are using distance formula. In the locus, we always use distance formula only. Right. What is AP distance? Under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2, therefore no, y2 minus y1 whole square by same BP. Here same x1 y1, P means x2 y2 means x2 y2 P point. Right, same under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equals to 2/3. Same squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides I am doing here. Not sufficient the place. Square root cancel in numerator denominator also. 5 minus x whole square plus Yeah, I'm taking our last one. We are discussing two terms are negative. Two terms are negative. We have cancel the negative. 4 minus 4 plus y whole square by 7 minus x whole square plus 6 minus y whole square is equals to squaring on two terms, new denominator 4 by 9, right? Okay, start. So in top, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2a, sorry, minus a minus b whole square, no, 2a b plus a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab by same here a minus b, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, what is a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab plus a square, here also a minus b whole square, right? A square plus b square minus 2ab is equals to 4 by 9. Solve numerator denominator. 25, 5 square means 25, x square minus 2 5 is 10x plus 16, 4 square 16 plus y square plus 2 4 is 8y by numerator 49 plus x square minus 2 7 is 14, 14x plus 6 square 36 plus y square minus 2 6 is 12y is equals to 4 by 9. Okay, do cross multiplication here. Okay, can I rub this one? Okay, I'm doing last step in downwards cross multiplication. 9 into I'm doing some order here, right? X square plus y square minus 10x plus 8y. Here number 16 plus 25 plus 16, I think 41 plus 41, right? That's it, no? Is equals to same here, right? 4 into x square plus y square minus 14x minus 12y. 49 plus 36, 49 plus 36, here 55 plus 85 plus 85, right? I can rub the whole board except last step for your understanding, right? Okay, can I start? 9 into x, 9x square plus 9y square minus 9 into 10, 90x plus what is this? 8, no? 98 I think 6, I think 72 y plus 9 into 41, 9 ones are 9, 2 9 4 the 36, 369 is equals to, right? 4 into x, 4x square, 4y square minus 14 into 4, 4 4 is 16, 1 carry 4 on there, 56x minus 4 into 12, 4 is 8, 48 y plus 4 into 85, 4 5 is 20, 2 carry, 4 2 is 20, 2 carry, 4 8 is 32, 32 plus 2, 34, 440, that's it. Okay, we all terms bring here, means your all terms are terms symbols change. Suppose 9x square, right? 9x square here plus 4x goes to here minus 4x, minus 4x square plus 9y square here plus 4y here goes minus 4y square minus 90x here minus 56 here goes to plus 56x plus 72y here minus 48y here goes to plus 48y plus 369 last term plus 340 here goes to minus 340 is equals to 0. All terms are bringing here, all terms are symbols are changed, right? 9x square minus 4x square, 5x square, 9x square minus 4x square plus 5x square plus y square, right? Minus 90x plus 56x, 90 minus 56, I think 34 here, negatives bigger, 34x, right? 42 plus 58, 10, 1 carry 8, 120 plus 120 y, here 369 minus 240, I think plus 29, right? That's it, no? Is equals to 0. It is the equation of a locus. It is a second model. We have already discussed first model. First model is simple, right? Simple distance is given from P point to A point. That's it. Second model is ratio is given. That's it. Different models are there. 2 or 3 models. That's it. I think